If you are constantly exhausted or battling PMS or gaining weight or craving sugar nonstop, I want you to stop blaming your willpower. Because what if I told you the real reason is your blood sugar? And no one's talking to women about it the way they should. Today, I'm going to show you the link between blood sugar and your hormones and why most women are unintentionally sabotaging their bodies every single day. Whether your goal is to eliminate PMS, build muscle, balance your hormones, or just feel normal again, blood sugar is foundational to your wellness and has either gotten ignored or way oversimplified. And what we're not going to do today is demonize carbs or tell you to go keto. I'll explain what's really happening and share how this impacted my own journey and give you some simple shifts that'll change how your body feels this week so that you can finally wake up with stable energy, ditch the mood swings, and feel confident in your workouts and food choices, no matter where you're at in your cycle. This is Dana, and she said, "My symptoms have decreased, my understanding of my body has increased tenfold, and I'm so much more aware of how food affects me throughout each phase." And that's what happens when you stop trying to fit yourself into a box built for men or even someone else, and you start working with your own biology. That's the transformation when you actually understand how your hormones and blood sugar work together. But here's the thing. If you don't learn this, nothing changes. You keep chasing energy with coffee or sugar, and you wonder why your workouts stop working. You think your cravings are a mindset issue, which is just so sad for us. And you feel like your body is broken when it's not broken, it's just out of rhythm. When blood sugar swings out of control, it actually impacts your cortisol, your ovulation, your sleep, and your ability to build muscle, and your ability to just feel like you. This isn't optional, it's actually foundational. So let me break down these things you can start doing today to support your blood sugar and your hormones. First things first, start your day with protein and fat, not just a fruit bowl, not just coffee on an empty stomach. When you wake up and your cortisol is already elevated, the worst thing you can do is spike your blood sugar. This is one of the biggest mistakes I used to make, thinking that just oatmeal and a banana were healthy and wondering why I crashed at 10 a.m. So here's what you can try. Start with eggs, avocado, maybe a bit of fiber or some oats or veggies, and you'll feel it immediately. Second, please stop under eating, especially in your luteal phase before your period. Your metabolism increases then, and your body just needs more foods, especially from slow carbs and magnesium-rich meals. But most women try to eat clean and then spiral when cravings hit. Supporting your blood sugar here keeps your mood stable, your digestion calmer, and your energy steady. So third, track your own patterns, not just your meals. Blood sugar isn't about just food. It's about stress, sleep, movement, and timing. So start noticing when you're most irritable, when your cravings hit, when your energy crashes. This is where I coach my clients to tune into their biofeedback, because those mood shifts and cravings aren't just being hormonal. They're your body's data. And these are the same tools my clients use to stop dieting and start feeling better in every single phase. And inside this free training that I have for you, it's the 5 cyclical hacks to reduce PMS and fit better in your clothes. I teach you all of this. Your blood sugar, how to support your organs, and how to ditch old methods that don't work. See, you're not broken. You just haven't been taught how to work with your body's rhythm. If you learned something new today, give this video a like and subscribe for more. And if you want to go deeper, check out that free training I just mentioned. This is where I walk you through the 5 fitness and nutrition hacks to eliminate PMS and fit better in your clothes. Because you deserve to feel clear, calm and confident in everything that your body is doing every week of the month. I'll see you in that free training. Bye.